In today's video, I'm going to talk to you about why every writer and publisher should aim for passive income in their business. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Sharlrita Deloatch, and on this channel, I talk about how to turn your skills into cash by providing you with passive income tips for writers, publishers, creatives, and as well as authors. Make sure that you like this video, subscribe to my YouTube channel, also hit that notification bell so when I upload a new video, you will be the first to know. Now, I would love for you to join my daily newsletter, Elevate Your Digital Publishing Business Daily. Join 500 plus writers, publishers, and creators every Monday through Friday. I send in 3 quick and valuable resources to help you to elevate your digital publishing business. So go on over to the description, join my free newsletter. You will absolutely love it. Okay. So I would love to introduce you to my flagship program, my Passive Profits Collective. This is the community. When you are ready and you want coaching, you want accountability, you need resources, you need a coach like me that's going to help you to be strategic when it comes to building your passive income streams. Come on over and learn more about the Passive Profits Collective, and you can join in the link in my description. Okay, so if you're like this young lady right here, and you are a writer, you are a publisher, you are very stressed when it comes to your business because not all the time will you receive clients on demand. And when you don't receive clients, you want to make sure that you have a cushion in your business where you're able to create that passive income that's going to help you to sustain your business. Let's talk about the benefits of passive income for writers first. First of all, as a writer, it gives you that financial security and that freedom, because when it comes to passive income, it gives you that opportunity to not only be creative, but it allows you to travel and to take a break in between books. If you are a book writer, maybe you are a freelance writer and you have clients, and maybe the clients are not coming every single month. But I love that even with myself, that I built my passive income streams from being a publisher who is a service provider to now my business is 90% passive income and 10% coaching. And you can do the same. Now, every now and then, if I want to, I can take on clients. So it's not a matter of me taking on clients because I need to, but I can take on publishing clients if I desire to. Okay, so that's the difference. And I want you to have that as well in your business. Also, predictable income streams. When it comes to having a writing business, whether you're blogging, the income is going to be up and down. All right, that's just the facts. You want to, like my mom used to tell me, you can't have all your eggs in one basket. So you want to have a diverse way and you're able to make money. But no worries, I'm going to give you some passive income streams I believe that writers and publishers should have as well. Now, also building a loyal audience also gives you that opportunity when you have passive income, because when you're working one to one with a writing client, maybe you're a ghost writer, you're only working one to one. Maybe even if you're a book writer, you're not writing a book every month. You're not writing a book, every single week, where you're able to build that loyal following. Now, you can build a loyal following as a book writer. You can do that. I'm not going to say that you can't, but it does take a little bit longer. So if you have some passive income methods like membership sites or courses, it will allow you to foster those different relationships with your readers and also with your clients. If you have some freelance clients or ghostwriting clients, yes, you can have those clients. But if you have courses or a membership site, you get to work with you get to go from one to one to many. All right. So if you are a book publisher, you provide book publishing services. Here are some benefits for you when it comes to passive income. And it gives you that diversification of your revenue streams. As a publisher myself in the past, I have found myself with my revenue streams going up and down, and I needed to diversify, which is why I got more heavy into passive income, because yes, you can have those 10, $15,000 clients, and they may not come, but you might have one or two that come every month. But you want to have a way where outside of those clients or outside of book sales that you have more revenue streams. Also, monetizing existing content. That's another benefit as well. As a publisher, I'm sure you have video, you probably have blog posts, and you probably have a lot of probably PLR. You need to repurpose that content and sell it. Okay. You need to repurpose that content and sell it. And you want to also use that content to educate your audience, like having a YouTube channel. If you got a lot of blog posts, you could turn those into YouTubes, or turn your blog posts into ebooks and guides. There's just so many ways that you can do this. And you're also building a brand loyalty. The benefit of having that passive income is you're building that brand loyalty, and it's nothing like having business assets in your business. So you're over here working with publishing clients, but also you have brand loyalty because you have valuable resources like writing guides that people can go to. Okay. So you have to set that stuff up, honey. Okay. Don't allow content and things that you have in your back office to sit there and not do anything. Okay. So here's some examples of passive income streams for writers and publishers. Most of all of these are definitely my favorite that I participate in, and that's ebooks and self-published books. Even as a writer, as a publisher, you should have some books out there. That's a way that you can have ongoing royalty, especially on platforms such as Amazon KDP that offers great royalties. You definitely want to have some books. Now, I say books with the S, meaning you need more than one. Okay. I am an advocate of having a series and also shorter books. This is what I teach my clients, is to have short books. Short books make great impact when it comes to your writing and publishing business. Online courses, of course. Did you know that courses are like $1 billion industry? Like, I mean, every business that has online courses, or they are using online courses. You have your call centers. How are they training individuals? Through online courses. How are people in HR being trained? Through online courses. All right. You can go even to your Fortune 500 companies, somewhere in their business, they have online courses that they may not sell on the front end, but it is used on the back end to train individuals in their business. So every business that I know, even schoolhouses, have online courses. So creating, writing, and publishing courses will definitely provide you with passive income while sharing your expertise. Yes, there are a lot of online courses about writing and publishing, but there's only one you. You have a method that someone needs. Okay. Just like my method when it comes to short books and series, that's my method. Okay. So you have a method and it needs to be shared. Membership sites. This is my favorite. I actually have two low end membership sites. One of them is for individuals that want to learn how and write and publish their books, their short books. I have a membership for that. I also have a membership for individuals that want to start and grow their own publishing company. All right. So maybe they want to provide publishing services. I show you how to do that in one of my other memberships, and it's growing. And so I'm telling you that having a membership site where people can learn and learn on demand from you is amazing. So have a subscription fee, and it doesn't have to be, a lot of money. My memberships are $9. So they're both $9. They're in my description. You can check them out if you're interested, but memberships can be a way for you to really grow your audience. Affiliate marketing. This is absolutely my favorite. I can tell you affiliate marketing is where it's at. Affiliate marketing was one of the income streams that really skyrocketed my passive income because I get to share, products and services and tools with you guys here on YouTube. And you guys click on my link, which I so appreciate it because I'm always sharing, behind the scenes or sharing how to use the tool. You can do the same. That there Most all companies that you're using right now has an affiliate program. You just need to scroll to the bottom of that website to check it out. Okay. So anything, I have made it a habit. Any tool that I use, anything that I am talking about, not just on this YouTube channel, but anytime I'm sharing, yeah, that I have an affiliate link just for that product. Okay. So listen, get into affiliate marketing. You can also create your own affiliate program as well if you use platforms such as like Gumroad, PayHip, Shopify. They make it so easy for you to create an affiliate marketing program where individuals to just go in and just sign up to be an affiliate, and then they can share your products. Okay, so you don't have to be the only one sharing your courses or sharing your membership site. Allow other people to share as well, and they can become an affiliate. Okay. All right, so here's some concerns in setting expectations. I definitely want to make sure that I combat these. It is a time investment when it comes to setting up your passive income. I do not want you to think that it's going to be a get rich quick. It is not. I don't care what people say here on YouTube. It is not a get rich quick. However, it is a get better or get rich over time. Okay, it's all about getting rich over time. When I create YouTube videos, when I put out my ebooks and things, for me is the goal is to put it out, put out the value, and especially platforms such as YouTube, which I believe that you should have a YouTube channel as a publisher, as a writer, because I love YouTube evergreen content. People can click on your link a year from now. Okay. So I want you to think about that. So it's a get rich over time. Okay. Now I have had the opportunity, and even some of my students have had the opportunity to make, some quick money. However, it's not like that always. Okay. There's a time you have to invest. You have to make sure that the systems are set up. You have to make sure that you know your audience. You have to make sure of those things. Okay. So I just wanted to make sure I combat those concerns that I know that you will have. But when you are, especially in my coaching program, Passive Profits Collective, and in that program, we are building our passive income. I'm in the trenches with them and showing them different ways to build passive income in their business. I always drill it down. You may not see the money come right now, but I promise you, when you put in the work, when you have the belief, and when you put in the time and the effort, you will see a return. It's just how it works. I don't care who you believe in, what God you believe in. I don't care if you believe in the universe. That's a principle. Okay. That's just an overall principle, no matter what religion you practice or whatever. That's a principle. That's an overall principle of this world, of this life. Whatever you put in, you're going to get out. It may not happen right away, but it will happen. Okay. It will happen. And if you keep that in mind, that it will happen, it will happen. I promise you, you are going to see a return in your investment. Okay. So if you hear that noise in the background, because I'm actually patting my desk and hoping you guys get it, because yes, I want to see you do your best. Okay, so here is your call to action. I have a call to action for you. What I want you to do, I want you to research specific passive income methods that suit your business. Okay, not every passive income method will suit every business. Okay, once you do that, then I want you to go to the link in the description and come on over to, I have what I've done here new is that you can get a sneak peek inside of my program, where on weekly we have weekly coaching calls every Tuesday night. And if you want to get a sneak peek of coaching and see how I navigate the coaching calls every week, and you can meet some of my students as well that are in the Passive Profits Collective, go down to the link in my description and click on that link where it says about getting a sneak peek inside the Passive Profits Collective. Okay, so that's your next call to action. Join the next one that we have. I have them once a month, kind of sporadically, so you got to go ahead and join when we have one. Okay, so join that so you can get a sneak peek and you can possibly get your question answered, get some coaching. But I would love for you to kind of be a fly on the wall when it comes to those calls. And that way you can see, hey, you know what? I need some coaching. I need accountability. I need someone that's on the path just like me. Okay. Although I may be some steps ahead of you, but I'm not far. I'm not too far ahead of you that I'm not relatable. Okay. That's one of the things one of my clients said. She said, you know what? I love that you are in the trenches with us. And absolutely. I believe that when it comes to coaching, I believe that when it comes to teaching people is that you can't be so far ahead that people can't see or they can't, you can't reach back. So if I'm running, my student, if I reach my hand back, you know how runners are running. If I reach my hand back, they can grab my hand. Okay. Even though I'm some steps ahead of them, they can grab my hand. And that's what I love about my community. So you can come in and get a sneak peek. I host these at least once a month, so you can get a sneak peek inside of the program, and that way you can make a decision that if the Passive Profits Collective is for you. Okay, so until the next time, go ahead and click the links in my description, and I'll see y'all in the next video. Bye.